Most equity markets were up during the final quarter of 2020, having looked through the notable rise in COVID-19 infections due to positive announcements around vaccines. The emerging market index posted especially strong performance during the quarter, up 14% in Canadian dollars. The Chinese market lagged the index as several internet giants suffered a pullback due to market concerns over regulatory risk. In the quarter, the portfolio posted strong absolute and relative performance, benefiting from its exposure to the Indian market and to the new energy technology theme, in particular the Chinese solar industry and the electric vehicle supply chain. The portfolio continues to maintain high exposure to the new energy technology, online platform and Indian consumer themes. During the last 3 months, the portfolio marginally increased its exposure to names in the consumer discretionary and financial services sectors. From a country perspective, the portfolio has its largest exposure to China, India and South Korea. India continues to be a notable country overweight relative to the benchmark. We would be constructive on emerging markets in the shorter term if we continue to see the weaker US dollar, supportive monetary and fiscal policies in major economies, vaccine rollouts, and related anticipation of a meaningful global economic recovery. We hope that these shorter-term positives will draw investors to readdress the compelling long-term opportunities in emerging markets, one that we are more comfortable making predictions around. For example, growing online consumption in China, growing penetration of vastly underrepresented products and services, from paints and cars to mortgages, pensions, insurance and e-commerce, consolidation of very fragmented industries, and more leading emerging market companies in global megatrends such as electric vehicles, renewable energy, digitization and online platforms. There are challenges ahead. US-China tensions are here to stay. The world is aging and we have high debt levels globally that are rising. But even with this backdrop, we're seeing exciting innovation and change and pockets of sustainably fast economic growth. We believe that emerging markets is a good place to hunt for that innovation, change and growth. We would like to thank you for taking the time to listen today.